In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to download any video on Google Chrome. So let's get into it. Head on over to your favorite web browser and type in Video Downloader Professional. This is what it should look like. Go ahead and tap on download, then click add extension. Once you've downloaded the extension, you'll want to pin it. That way it's easy to access. Head on over to the search tab and type in Pixabay. So this is another tool. So for some reason, if the extension doesn't work, just always remember whatever work you're using, make sure you give credit in your videos. So how this extension works is that whenever a picture or a video that you already have on your screen, this extension will just give more reference videos that are similar to the image. So let's say I type strawberries and then I click on my extension. Now I'll get more videos of strawberries that I can download. Let me do another example. I'm gonna scroll down here and click on this woman dancing, and you'll see I have more videos to choose from that are similar to this one. Let's do one more, this lizard. You'll see I have a few options to choose from, and all you'll need to do is click download. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful. Like always, stay happy, stay blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys. Like and follow for more. Woo!